Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Clock application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Downloading Clock app on iPhone is a straightforward process. Simply go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, launch open your app store. Go to the search box and type in Clock and search. Look for this application from Apple and tap on the download button to begin downloading the Clock app for your iPhone. Once the download is completed, tap on open, and there you have successfully downloaded the Clock app for your iOS device within a few minutes. So that's how easy it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.